Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRSD series. In today's video, we will focus on HRSD security, a crucial aspect of managing HR data while ensuring privacy and compliance. HR data is highly sensitive, containing personal employee records, payroll details, and confidential HR cases. That's why ServiceNow HRSD includes role-based security, access controls, encryption, and compliance measures. To protect this data, in this video, we will cover understanding HR roles and access controls, securing sensitive HR data, HRSD privacy best practices, and real-world HRSD security examples. Let's dive into HRSD security and how it helps protect employee information. Understanding HR roles and access controls. Role-based security in HRSD. HRSD uses role-based security to ensure the right people have access to the right data. Employees, HR agents, and admins all have different levels of access based on their responsibilities. HR roles in ServiceNow includes HR admins, which have full control over HRSD, including configurations and security settings. Then HR agents can view and manage HR cases, but access is limited to assigned tasks. Then employees can only view their own HR cases and submit requests. Then managing HR roles. Proper role management prevents unauthorized access. ServiceNow provides predefined HR roles, but admins can customize access based on the business needs. HR admins can configure access rules and security settings. HR agent can only see cases they are assigned to, and employees can access self-service HR features. Then field level access restrictions. HRSD allows field level security, meaning sensitive fields like salary, medical records, or personal information can be restricted even if a user have access to the case. For example, HR agents may see employee names but not salary details. Payroll teams can access salary information but not disciplinary records. Then ensuring data confidentially. To protect HR data, ServiceNow ensures role-based visibility. Employees can't see others' employee HR cases. Then restricted HR knowledge access. Not all employees can access HR policies related to sensitive topics. Then case visibility limitations. Only authorized HR agents can view certain case types. Now let's look at how HRSD secures sensitive HR data. Securing sensitive HR data. Configuring encryption for HR records. Sensitive sports data encryption to protect HR records at rest in transit. Encryption ensures that even if a data is exposed, it remains unreadable without proper authorization. Ensuring GDPR compliance. Organization handling employee data must comply with privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA. HRSD helps with data anonymization, protecting personal details in certain reports, right to be forgotten, allowing employees to request data deletion and audit logs, tracking who accessed what data and when. Then controlling HR knowledge permissions. HR knowledge base contains confidential policies, so access must be restricted. General HR policies like leave policies can be visible to all employees. Sensitive policies like termination procedures should only be visible to HR manager. Then tracking security breaches. HRSD logs all security related events such as unauthorized access attempts, changes to HR roles and permission, data export activities. HR teams can use security dashboards to monitor and respond to potential data breaches. So let's explore the HR roles and HR ACLs on my personal developer instance. So here's my personal developer instance, and if we go to ACLs, and under the system security, these all are the ACLs. And if you want to see for the HR tables, so these all are the ACLs which are on the SNHR core case table. Like this is for the operation of this ACL is report view, and if we open this ACL, so uh, this ACLs is used to viewing the report. Only the case reader has the report view access. Like a user containing these roles can only read the report view of the this HR core case table. And if we open this ACL, then this ACL is for the deletion of data. Like only the authorized persons can delete the HR cases. Like human resource admins can delete the HR case. And if a user have this role as an HR core admin, then he can delete the cases. So these are the different ACLs which we use to protect our sensitive data access. And the other thing is the roles. And if we look for the HR roles, then these are the different HR roles. Like this is SNHR core admin role, which grant access to all HR information plus admin privileges. And this is the SNHR core basic, which grant access to the basic HR agents daily work need. And there are different roles which allow you to do different permission and different table and different data access. Then HRST privacy best practices. Securing employee personal data. To ensure employee privacy, HRST applies limited access to personal records, data masking for sensitive details, multi-factor authentication for HR admins, and aligning with global privacy regulations. ServiceNow supports compliance with global privacy laws including GDPR, CCPA, and ISO 27001. Organization can configure privacy setting to align with these regulations. Then implementing secure HR workflows. Secure workflows prevents unauthorized data exposure. For example, background verification workflows should be restricted to HR and legal teams, and salary updates should require dual approvals before changes are made. Then monitoring access to sensitive information. HRST includes audit trials that track who access sensitive data, what changes were made, and when and why data was modified. Regular security reviews ensure that only the right people have access to HR data. Then real world HRST security examples. Role based visibility for HR cases. Imagine an employee submits an HR case about workplace harassments. This case should only be visible to HR managers handling the case, be restricted from general HR agents. Role-based access ensures privacy and confidentiality. Securing payrolls and benefit data. Payroll data should only be visible to finance team while HR agents handle benefit requests. HRST ensures salary details are encrypted, tax and benefit records are protected. Then preventing unauthorized access. If an unauthorized user tries to access restricted data, HRST can block the access attempt, send alerts to security teams, log the event for auditing. Then enhancing HRST audit trials. Organizations can use audit trials to track who accessed what data, identify potential data leaks, and investigate suspicious activity. Audit reports help HR and IT teams maintain compliance. HRST security is critical to protecting sensitive employee data while ensuring compliance with global regulations. By implementing role-based security, encryption, privacy best practices, and audit trials, organization can safeguard HR information and maintain trust. Thank you for watching the video on HRST security. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing ServiceNow HRST for your organization. Thank you.